GE portable air conditioners naturally produce noise during operation. Understanding what's normal versus what requires attention is crucial for proper maintenance and troubleshooting. Portable air conditioners typically produce 55 to 65 decibels of noise, which is comparable to normal conversation levels. This noise comes from the internal compressor and fan systems. You may notice the unit sounds louder at night, simply because there's less background noise to mask the sound. The main noise sources in your portable AC include the compressor, fan motor, and airflow through the filter system. Each component contributes to the overall sound profile of the unit. It's important to distinguish between normal and abnormal noises. Normal sounds include airflow, thermostat clicks, water dripping outside, a slight hum during startup, and ticking from the slinger ring. Abnormal noises that require attention include loud humming or buzzing, clicking or rattling, screaming or hissing sounds, banging or clanking, excessive gurgling, and grinding sounds. These typically indicate mechanical issues or maintenance needs. A dirty air filter significantly impacts noise levels. As shown in this comparison, filters accumulate dirt over time. A clogged filter restricts airflow, forcing the unit to work harder and produce more noise while reducing efficiency. Remember these key points for identifying AC noises. Normal operation produces 55 to 65 decibels. Identifying the specific noise type helps with troubleshooting. Distinguishing normal from abnormal sounds is crucial, and always consider your filter's condition as it directly impacts noise levels. The first step in troubleshooting loud AC noises is ensuring your unit has a proper foundation. Check that your portable AC is positioned on a stable, level surface to minimize vibrations that can amplify noise. A dirty air filter is one of the most common causes of excessive noise. When the filter is clogged, your AC works harder and louder to pull air through. Clean or replace your air filter regularly to maintain proper airflow. Next, inspect your unit for debris and loose components. Turn off and unplug your AC, then check for any objects that may have fallen into the unit. Also, tighten any loose screws or parts that could be causing rattling noises. Fan problems are another common source of noise. Inspect the fan blades for damage, warping, or obstructions. Check that the fan spins freely and look for signs of wear on the motor bearings. If you hear grinding or squealing noises, the motor bearings may be worn. Worn bearings create friction and noise and typically require professional replacement to restore quiet operation. To further reduce noise, try these techniques. Place vibration-absorbing mats under your unit and wrap the exhaust hose with sound-dampening material like mass-loaded vinyl insulation. If noise persists after trying these solutions, it may indicate serious mechanical issues like refrigerant problems or compressor wear. These require professional diagnosis and repair by a qualified HVAC technician. Regular maintenance is key to preventing most noise issues. Clean filters monthly, inspect components seasonally, and address small problems before they become major repairs. Proper care keeps your AC running quietly and efficiently.